Hello, future doctors. Welcome to Synapse, your ultimate NEET preparation platform. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic from Class 11 Biology, excretory products and their elimination, specifically focusing on the disorders that can affect this vital system. We'll start with the basics, then move through medium, hard, and finally, the hardest levels, preparing you thoroughly for your NEET exams. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of kidney health and disease. Let's kick off our journey at the easy level. We'll begin by understanding some of the most common problems that can affect our excretory system. It's all about getting the fundamentals right before we build up to more complex concepts. On this slide, we are covering the basics of common excretory disorders. First, kidney stones, also known as renal calculi, are hard deposits made of minerals and salts that form inside your kidneys. They can cause severe pain. Next, glomerulonephritis refers to the inflammation of the tiny filters in your kidneys, called glomeruli. This can impair your kidneys' ability to filter waste. We'll look at what causes these conditions and their primary symptoms, making sure you grasp the core concepts. Continuing with our easy explanations, let's understand renal failure and uremia. Renal failure means your kidneys are no longer able to adequately remove waste products from your blood. When waste products, particularly urea, build up in your blood due to kidney failure, this condition is called uremia. Both are serious conditions that highlight the importance of healthy kidney function. We'll discuss their fundamental definitions and why they are critical. Time to test your understanding with some easy-level practice questions. Remember, these questions are designed to check your basic recall and comprehension of the definitions and key points we just discussed. Take your time, think about the concepts, and choose the best answer. Good luck! Now, let's step up to the medium level. Here, we'll deepen our understanding of excretory disorders, exploring how they develop and what makes them tick. Get ready for more detailed explanations. At this medium level, we are diving deeper into kidney stones, formation and types. Kidney stones form when certain chemicals in the urine become highly concentrated and crystallize. We'll explore common types like calcium oxalate stones, which are the most prevalent, and uric acid stones. Understanding factors like diet, dehydration, and genetic predisposition is crucial, as they all play a role in increasing the risk of stone formation. This background will help you grasp the underlying causes. Next up at the medium level, we examine glomerulonephritis, inflammation of filters. This condition involves inflammation of the glomeruli, which are vital for filtering blood. We'll discuss its various causes, including infections like strep throat, autoimmune diseases such as lupus, and certain genetic conditions. We'll differentiate between acute and chronic forms, noting that acute forms can appear suddenly, while chronic forms develop over time, leading to progressive kidney damage. Recognizing the symptoms is key. Finally, for our medium-level content, let's take a deeper look into uremia and renal failure. Uremia is a severe symptom of renal failure where toxic waste products accumulate in the blood. We'll explore the pathophysiology, understanding how impaired kidney function leads to this buildup. We'll also distinguish between acute renal failure, which has a sudden onset, and chronic renal failure, which develops slowly over months or years, often leading to irreversible damage. Grasping these differences is vital for NEET. You've absorbed a lot of information at the medium level. Now it's time to apply that knowledge. These 5 practice questions will challenge your understanding of the causes, types, and basic mechanisms of the excretory disorders we just covered. Read each question carefully and consider all the options before making your choice. Welcome to the hard level. This section demands a more analytical approach. We'll compare disorders, understand complex treatments, and connect concepts to broader physiological functions. Brace yourselves. At the hard level, we are doing a comparative analysis of kidney disorders. We'll compare and contrast kidney stones, glomerulonephritis, and introduce pyelonephritis, which is a bacterial infection of the kidneys. We'll look at how their symptoms might overlap or differ, their distinct causes, and their typical progression. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for differential diagnosis and effective treatment strategies, a key skill for medical aspirants. This analysis will sharpen your diagnostic thinking. Continuing with our hard level, let's explore the management of renal failure, dialysis and transplant. When kidneys fail, these are the primary life-sustaining interventions. We'll delve into the principles of hemodialysis, where blood is filtered by an artificial kidney machine, and peritoneal dialysis, which uses the patient's own abdominal lining as a filter. We'll also discuss renal transplantation, including the challenges of donor matching and the lifelong need for immunosuppression. This slide provides a detailed comparative overview of these critical treatments. For our final hard-level content, we connect hormonal and electrolyte imbalances in kidney disease. Healthy kidneys play a vital role beyond waste excretion. They produce hormones like erythropoietin, essential for red blood cell production, and activate vitamin D. Kidney disease disrupts these functions, leading to anemia and bone problems. Furthermore, kidneys are crucial for maintaining electrolyte balance, example, sodium, potassium, calcium, and acid-base balance. We'll explore how these imbalances manifest and their systemic consequences. You've tackled some rigorous concepts at the hard level. Now, it's time to put your analytical skills to the test with these 7 practice questions. These questions require a deeper understanding, critical thinking, and the ability to connect multiple concepts. Analyze each scenario and choose the most appropriate answer based on what you've learned. Congratulations on making it to the hardest level. This is where we delve into the most complex and competitive aspects of excretory disorders. Get ready for in-depth insights, advanced mechanisms, and cutting-edge topics that will truly set you apart. At the hardest level, we investigate the molecular basis of kidney stone formation. Beyond simple crystallization, we'll explore the intricate process involving supersaturation of urine, the nucleation of crystals, their subsequent growth, and aggregation into larger stones. We'll discuss natural inhibitors in urine that normally prevent stone formation and how their deficiency contributes to disease. We'll also touch upon genetic predispositions and metabolic disorders that significantly increase risk. This scientific context is vital for advanced understanding. Let's explore advanced dialysis technologies and innovations at this hardest level. We'll go beyond basic hemodialysis to understand concepts like ultrafiltration, the precise control of dialysate composition, and continuous renal replacement therapy, or CRRT, used in critically ill patients. We'll also touch upon emerging innovations like wearable artificial kidneys and bioartificial kidney devices, which aim to provide more continuous and physiological renal support, representing the future of kidney care. This engineering insight is crucial. Next, we delve into the immunological aspects of renal transplantation. This is a complex interplay between the donor organ and the recipient's immune system. We'll cover the importance of human leukocyte antigen, or HLA, matching to minimize rejection. A detailed discussion of immunosuppressive drugs, including calcineurin inhibitors and antimetabolites, and their mechanisms of action will be provided. We'll also differentiate between hyperacute, acute, and chronic rejection types, and briefly touch on the rare but serious graft versus host disease. Understanding these details is paramount for NEET. For our final hardest level content, we examine the systemic impact of chronic kidney disease, CKD. CKD is not just a kidney problem, it affects the entire body. We'll explore its profound cardiovascular complications, which are the leading cause of death in CKD patients. We'll also discuss renal osteodystrophy, a complex bone disease, and the severe anemia often associated with CKD due to erythropoietin deficiency. Neurological effects, impaired immune function, and the overall impact on a patient's quality of life will also be covered, providing a holistic view. You've engaged with some incredibly detailed and challenging material. Now, let's tackle the first 5 hardest level practice questions. These questions are designed to test your in-depth knowledge, critical analysis, and ability to apply complex concepts to clinical scenarios. Take your time to analyze each option carefully before selecting your answer. Let's continue to sharpen your skills with the remaining 5 hardest level practice questions. These questions further explore the advanced topics we've covered, from molecular mechanisms to treatment innovations and systemic complications. Push your understanding to the limits and demonstrate your mastery of excretory disorders. And that brings us to the end of our comprehensive journey through the disorders of the excretory system. We've covered everything from basic definitions to advanced molecular and immunological insights. We hope this session has significantly enhanced your understanding and confidence for NEET. For more such in-depth educational content, practice tests, and personalized learning experiences, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for continuous learning updates. Keep studying hard, and see you in the next session.